Hi guys, my name is Crystal Hatch. This is my website. I had created this website for my small business that I kind of run out of my home. It's just kind of a small little thing I do on the side. It's called The Light Crunch, and I make gourmet apple chips. This is just the home screen. And then from here, you can go to the About page, which this just has kind of an overview of me and what my business is about. It includes a little picture of me so people can connect that. And just a little thing here about me and what my passion is with healthy food. And then you can come over to this contact page. This just has a little map showing where we're at. It doesn't have an exact location, it just has the generality of Rexburg. And then I have this form that you can fill out and submit, and it'll send an email to me with your information and letting me know that you left a comment that I need to get back to. I also have this section down below if you really need to get in contact with me, and it'll have a phone number that you can contact, just the general location again, and then an email. My husband works in the email administration department for the school, so I was able to have him assign an alias for my email. That way they don't know my exact email at the school, but they do have an alias that they can email through, and I'll still receive their communication there. Let's see. I also have something here where you can add an email and a phone, and I'll be adding, as soon as I get my social media pages set up, the options. There's going to be a couple more squares for the different social medias platforms that I have. Here is the store. Let's get it on here. So this is my store. Right now, these pictures are kind of my general picture product. I am working on getting specific pictures of each of the individual ones. They do look fairly similar, but I would like to have one of each type. That way the customer can get a better idea of what it looks like, and it'll look a little bit more professional. I do have the original apple chips, which are just plain apples, cinnamon sugar, and cinnamon coconut sugar. And then there is an add-on here of a chocolate drizzle on top of them. And this is just a picture of my product after I had done some chocolate on top of them. I do have a little small print saying if you live in Rexburg to let me know. That way I can actually deliver it to you and you don't have to pay for shipping. The last thing here is my store page, just so you can get an idea of what it looks like. After this, it just takes you to a form for billing. Overall, I used Google Analytics, and this kind of has tracked the overall use of my site. I think there's been a good amount for the fact that this is just such a small niche market. There hasn't been a ton amount of returning users, so I do need to get that increased. What I found interesting was so many people from different countries. My AdWords were only for the United States, but I still had 7 users from India on here, which was kind of funny to me that they were able to still find my site just by searching it. And then my Google AdWords. These are the ads that I had set up. This bottom one here was one of the original ads that I did, and then I wanted to change the landing page to the actual store itself so you could get to the product faster from the ad, and so it canceled this one and added this. So these are essentially the exact same ad, just with the store on there. And so these are pretty much the 2 main ads I had running. 45 clicks, over 9,000 impressions, so a lot of impressions there. And I actually had 6 conversions, so I had 6 sales off of the online, off my website. So that was kind of cool, and it was a lot of fun. Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching.